Hello guys! In the last video, we've set up the navbar and footer for all our pages. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Angular Router. Let's start by opening our PowerShell window and then typing in ng generate component home. Once this is done, let's type in ng serve and minimize the window. Now, let's open up our text editor, app routing module. The app routing module is in charge of determining what component should be displayed when a certain route is visited. Inside the routes array, we've created two objects. In the first object, we've declared a path of an empty string and a component of home component. This means when we visit the path of an empty string, we'll be directed to the home component. In the second object, we have a path of double asterisk and a redirect property of empty string. This means when the path that we visit is not in the routes array, we will be redirected to the home component. Now, let's go to our browser and open up our app. And here, we can see that our app is working and Homeworks is displayed over here. If we try to go to another route, for example, profile, which does not exist yet, we'll be redirected to the home route. Now that the router is set up, we can change the component that is displayed depending on the route. In the next video, we'll be setting up the home page, which will contain an image carousel.